Yes, guys, how's it going? Welcome. How is everyone? Jump straight into these markets in a minute. What's everyone saying? Who's in? Let's see who's here. What's up, guys? Right, guys. Stop breaking these markets down in a minute. Give us a couple of minutes. Yes, Bando, how's it going, mate? How are you? Taken two positions today. Two decent positions. I took a short trade here. I caught this short here into these lows. You know, into these lows, I caught these shorts like 15 ticks, 17, 18 ticks, which was decent. That one candle, absolutely perfect. And I also caught this short here to the left, this one candle to the downside here. So I've got two trades today. Caught where about 20, 30 ticks. But I'll start breaking what I'm going to look for now in a minute. Because the markets are they are starting to look quite good. So I'll see. Let's give it a couple more people to join and then I'll break it down. Right, let's go. Right, so if you look at gold on the daily, yeah, we're very, very bullish on gold. I can see us. I can actually see this candle starting to flip soon. If we do start breaking levels to the upside, you know, you've got some key levels here at 2400 that we're coming into 2400 around here. So if you look at how the daily closed yesterday, we're very bullish and we closed. We flipped bullish above major levels at like 2400, 2300 here. You know, major level here, major level here, and we are pulling back a little bit as expected. But overall on gold, my overall targets is all this liquidity sitting above here. You know, you've got all these highs that need taking. You've got high here, high here. You know, you've got a load of liquidity. Just look at all the liquidity highs you've got. You know, so we have got a lot of targets, and we have just taken this liquidity to the left, and we are starting to react from this level now. So really, I am going to start looking for longs soon if we can start pushing, you know, break out of this range a little bit. If we look at the 15 really quick, the 15 again, you can see this is a decent range on the 15. There's 24 or 3 level that I want to break above. If we can get a nice clean break above there, then I will be open to some longs. Further shorts, guys. If I am going to take some further shorts, I am going to look for some further shorts down into here. So that is the plan for today. You know, we can take some longs into this liquidity here, all these highs, if I get what I need to see. And I'll also be taking shorts depending on how we break out. So let's wait. This is a decent. This is my range for now. How's it going, Nat, mate? How are you, mate? Are you good? So yeah, gold's looking decent today. If we get the volume, we'll be in. Let me just delete this. Let me just edit this really quick, because we haven't taken any trades yet today. Hopefully we will, but we are one win for no losses. Touch wood, the good streak continues. But I need to put on. Yes, we are one win. But like I say, guys, anyone here's got any questions at all, let us know, and we can have a look. We can have a look what you want to know. Like I say, guys, if you don't mind, drop us a follow, a subscribe, and drop us a like on the live. I appreciate it. I hope you take some free good value from these lives anyway. But yeah, this is the major level that I want to break above. And obviously anything below here, I'm looking for shorts. $24.15 down to 400. Let's have a look. Nice, down to 400. Decent. That's a decent push, bro. Great stuff. 160 ticks. Nice. Hourly is closing bullish. We're starting to close out on the 15. Give it another 7 minutes and we'll see how we close. But yeah, great stuff. If you caught that push down, good. I personally caught 2 trades today, so we'll see if I can catch a third. Starting to get some good volume on gold. Yeah, we are starting to get some good volume on gold. Yeah, news in 22 minutes. That is true. Yeah, news in 22 minutes. But if we can push out, shows the confirmation. I do think the news can take all these highs. You know, we have taken liquidity to the lows, and anything below here, I'm going to look to short. So we have got biases at both sides of the market. But in the meantime, whilst we're waiting for these to break out, if anyone's got anything they want to ask, let us know. Yeah, 3 PM as well. Yeah, there's a bit of news today. There is a bit of news today. You know, you're probably gonna stay in this range again, possibly, and then push out of either way. But let's see if we can catch something. Was up till 3 AM managing the trade. I don't normally, but I put break even +1. Then I woke up, type, yeah, perfect. Nice, Nat. Good stuff, mate. If you managed it, nice. Tell you what, to take a short against that daily, you've done well. You know, if I'm shorting gold, you know, I need to see some momentum. But yeah, if you caught that instant, like, what is it, 24.15? It's literally, yeah. Where's the day? Yeah, near the high. My overall targets on gold, if this daily flips, will be here, 24.25. Currently rejecting this range as well. Do you think gold will break all-time high? Yeah. Let's have a look now or in like next couple of weeks potentially. Yeah, because we have pulled back enough for it to then spring back up. You are, how many pips are we away from it? 460 pips, which isn't a lot really on gold. It's like a couple of days work if with some news. But yeah, overall long-term targets are always all-time highs on gold. The monthly, yeah, the monthly might take all-time highs and then reverse. But gold's just been on a rampage recently. Push, you know, you obviously decent little pullback into maybe like 21.50 when it has taken all-time highs. But yeah, I don't think it'll be at all-time highs and then continue like it did last time. I think it'll take all-time highs and then maybe reverse quite a bit. You know, take all-time highs and then reverse a bit. But we can just trade it up into there. Nat, it says your message was retracted. Try and write it a bit better if you can. Tired. Dun, 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 dun. Like I say, guys, any other questions, get them in. Thanks for liking the video as well. If you do, I appreciate it. Dun, 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 dun. Just waiting for gold. Give it another 5 minutes. See how we break out on this 15. It was ridiculous, to be honest. It was meant to be a scalp on the 3 minute time frame, but it just kept falling. Lol. Nice. That's good, man. I mean, yeah, if you catch it, you catch it. Good stuff. I personally am not trading when it were trading at 24.15. What's that, like midnight? I don't trade from like sometimes 6 o'clock onwards. Maybe 6 o'clock, and then I'll trade again at London 7. What is that wick fill higher? 10 ticks. You know, if this flips, it's going to flip into them highs. And you've got an easy 10, 15 ticks there. Welcome anybody new here. Like I say, guys, I'm looking for gold longs right now. Just in 15 minutes if we can get a nice clause, bullish clause out, and then we can look for longs. Like I say, if it's anybody new here, the overall bias is taking longs into this liquidity here. You know, 1, 2. You know, you've got 2 highs here, 3 highs, and you've even got highs there at 20, 24, 24. So, you know, we just need to wait. Nice clean breakout, then we'll get that position. Just need to wait for the momentum to show. But in the meantime, whilst we're waiting to break out, guys, drop us a question, message, whatever. It's all good. Nope. Yeah, Saf, CPI in 15. But it can be good because depending on how we break out, you know, it might come and take liquidity and then push above, and then we can just take the flip of the next. There is ways to trade CPI for sure. So what we need to wait for realistically is we've got our 2 main key points here, key liquidity areas. See how we react and how we break out, and then we can just push on from there. Predictions for news, for me personally, I'm gonna go with the way that prices, how it's liquidated and how the liquidation's gone. Okay, so if you're looking at what price action's telling me, news reacts obviously from numbers, depending on what the figures are, depending on what, you know, if it's good or bad for the gold and the US dollar. But depending on what price has done pre-news also can affect it. For example, look what we've done. We've taken liquidity to the left here, and we're maintaining above this 2400 level. You know, you've taken the liquidity down here, but you've not really taken any liquidity here. You know, you've all got all these highs which I mentioned before. So gold could come up, wick some of these highs, flip down. That could definitely happen. So realistically, I'm gonna see if I can get along into that liquidity, depending on what happens. And it's all I react all based on price action. So it all depends on how price is reacting at the time. But I do think we will get a position today. So stay tuned. You know, 5 minutes breaking out nicely. You know, I think you've got decent first targets there, which is like London 10:45. What's this 5 minute saying? We could try a little scalp in a minute, guys. You know, what's that 20 tick target? Depending on how this 5 minute closes. Nice one for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Anybody who likes the video, thank you. Yeah, this 5 minute, if this 5 minute closed bullish, I would have took a buy. But it doesn't look like it is going to. That was a clean buy if it did close, but we are just reacting from this level as predicted before. Like I said, news in 10 minutes, guys. Depending on how this news breaks out, will give us a clear direction for the day anyway. Realistically, on the daily on gold, you know, if this news does go the way that we think, long, you know, like I say, it all depends on figures and what comes out. But if it is bullish for the gold, you know, this wick fill into 23-24 is possible today for sure. So if we can come down, take some liquidity, or just push nicely above, then we can take the flip higher and we can get involved in that. But I'm going to just wait and just see how we break out. That's the plan. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting in 9 minutes, because I think it'll tell us a lot of what's gonna happen. Yeah, I do like these longs are cool because grab that. Starting to close above this key level now. Yeah, I do. I think we can push higher. It's a shame that 5 minute didn't close bullish because I would have been long on the next. That would have been a nice wick fill entry. You know, you've got 42 ticks there. How's it going, guys? How is everyone? Like I say, guys, it all depends on how we close now in 8 minutes. Nice bullish close, then yeah, I think longs are nice. All this liquidity here. Any other levels to be cautious of? Never been. As expected, we are rejecting right now between here. But, like I say, 7 minutes will tell us a lot. I'm just going to wait for that. See if we can... You know, if we close bearish like here, then bang, we're shorting into there. If we close bullish, then we're looking for continuation higher. Simple. Let's see if we can get this US position, this New York trade. That was perfect, really. Like, you can take buys after this candle, but just keep in mind that you've got major 2400 level here, and it's a big level. 2400 is huge. That's why you're getting the reaction you are now. Bando, where am I traveling to next? Either back to Thailand or Russia. Yeah, I might go to Moscow for a couple of weeks. But yeah, there's a lot of places I want to go. I want to go, maybe do a bit of Europe as well. You know, do a bit of Europe. There's a lot of places I want to go. You know, and that's why that's what I said to everyone in the community as well. Anyone in the community, like, they know that I like doing travel related things, and that's what trading can do. Like I say, if anyone's got any questions regarding traveling, trading, like, put it in, like, because it's so good. Travel trading is the best. You know, you can just learn my strategy that I teach in the community, learn the concepts, trade that consistently, and travel. It's as simple. Well, it's not as simple as that, but it's as simple as it can be. If you just learn the concepts that I teach. And like I say, if anyone wants full access to the strategy that I teach, it's very, very good. You can get that in the community. Right, gold. 4 minutes before news. Let's see. You know, if we can, if we push down and break below here on news 2400, I'm selling down into 23.95. Yeah, Bando, for sure, mate. It's so like so good. It's the best thing I have ever done. Best thing I've ever done, and I'd tell anybody to do it. But obviously you need to get profitable first. Get profitability first, then you're fine. Find something that works for you. Learn a strategy that works and you know that works. And yeah, like I've been traveling trading for like almost a year and a half now. So I know what I do works. And it has worked. It does work. Like it definitely does work. Very, very good stuff. But yeah, 3 minutes till news. But yeah, traveling and trading, Bando, for sure. Like if you can just, you know, you can easily get a personal and, you know, build that whilst you're traveling and take profits. You don't necessarily need funding. But yeah, if anyone's got any other questions on traveling, trading related, let me know. I love it. I love talking about it. You know, I've been back in the UK for like a month now, and I'm already planning my next trip. And that's what trading can do. And I say it to like everybody. Like if you really do put your mind to it, learn a system that works, you can easily travel and trade. And you know, it's so good. Oh, really, Bando? Nice. Do you just use personal? And who do you use for your personal? And if anybody else here, guys, please drop us a like on the video. I do appreciate it. 5 likes. Nice one, guys. I do appreciate that. And if you're new here, guys, drop us a subscribe. I go live 3 or 4 times a week. Nice one, guys. Whoever's just subscribed, I appreciate it. I can't see it because it's for us private. But yeah, like I say, guys, join the free Telegram. It's in my description of this YouTube. You'll see when I go live every time. Oh, Nat, you're in Sweden. Nice. I'm Blueberry, Bando. Good stuff, mate. Blueberry are good. I used to use Blueberry. I'm in Sweden right now. Nat, you live in Sweden, or are you just there? Personally, I don't. Maybe Spain, Nat. I might go south of Spain for a couple of weeks. I know you can get some nice all-inclusive hotels there, so I'll probably just get an all-inclusive hotel for a couple of weeks. I don't know, England, the UK, I came back from Thailand to the UK because I thought I'd get some good weather, but it's absolutely shocking. Like, it's actually flooding near me. So, not recommended. But, yeah, I think I'll just go to Spain for maybe a couple of weeks. Oh, I wanted to go to Oslo. Oslo looks fun. But I want somewhere warm, and I know Spain's warm. Yeah, nah, for sure, mate. Stockholm, yeah, Stockholm for sure. I want to go Stockholm too. I want to do all like Europe, Scandinavia. 33 seconds till news, guys. Yeah, same with me, mate. I left the UK like a year and a half ago because I didn't like it. I've come back and it's not as bad, but nothing's changed. Like, you think like loads of things are going to change. Nothing's changed. And everything's the same. Like, if you leave and trade and travel, like, you come back and nothing's changed and everything's just how it was. But the only thing you have gained is, like, memories, you know? I think we're going to push up, guys, on this news. But we'll see. Maybe push... Oh, I'm wrong. Anyway, we'll see. If we can take this liquidity and close above these levels, guys, I'm going to look for longs. Now, if price flips, I'm going to look for longs. This is exactly what I want it to. If price can push back up and flip, I'll look for longs into here. That's why I don't trade news as well, guys. It's pathetic. You can never put... You can have the best, like, analysis in the world, but depending on how them numbers come out, it doesn't care. But yeah, if we could get a trade here, guys, you know, take these lows. If we push bullish, close above these levels, then yeah, I'm going long. We've got a decent range now. 46 ticks. But we'll see. See how we react in a minute when we take this liquidity to the left, because this is going to get taken soon. 23.95 will get taken shortly. We'll watch that. Hang fire for now, guys. Give it like 5 minutes to settle down. We could be in for a long soon. Wow. A lot of volatility. Anybody still holding them shorts we were talking about? Ridiculous. I had shorts from here. Bang, what's that? 94 ticks. It's a lot of volatility. That's expected to be CPI. Pre anyway. When it's pre, it can be big. Yeah, PPI was mad. Right, if we can start closing back above here, guys, with some momentum, I'm gonna go long into there, you know. Let's see. This 15-minute could easily flip, don't worry. This 15 could easily flip higher. Like this, you know, this red candle here, look. You know, it's just the same. Nice one for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Cheers for commenting too. Just trying to build these streams up a bit. So likes, subscribes, comments, they do help. You know, I only started doing these like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So like any support at all, I do appreciate it. And obviously when I'm traveling, I will continue to do these. At least like 3 or 4 times a week. I do enjoy it. That 5 minutes ridiculous. Push straight down. 116 ticks. Did anybody caught shorts today at all? I know Nat was in some. Look at the tight range in London today. This was really the range. 15 shorts were nice. I really did like them. You know, break below, clear liquidity, built back into the range. You know, range 1, range 2. And now we're starting to get a rejection, guys. Okay? Give it another 10 minutes. We could be on for a 15 flip. So I'm gonna wait. You know, you can get the flip up here in a minute. And then we've got a decent range. If we close above into there, 47 ticks. Let's see. Because we have just taken all these liquidity lows. Right, guys. And even if this candle doesn't flip above, like if the next is just a fake out, like so, then we can go long after that. So there is potential. There's a lot of potential. I'm not going to look for shorts now, really, just because we're reacting from this big level here at 2400. You know, we're starting to react from there. So really, I want to look for the longs, because the longs do interest me more. If this 15 doesn't flip higher, then we just wait for the next 15 to close. And if the 15 next close, then we go long. But yeah, nice break back above 2400. I'm looking for longs. Yeah, 2400 here. Breaks above there. In 7 minutes. Let's see. Dude, what's this 5 minutes saying? There we go, pushing straight. Now we're starting to react, okay? Now we're starting to react. One sec, guys. Let me just take this phone call back. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Yeah, guys, if anyone's got any questions, trading, traveling, let me know. Get them in. Anything on brokers, you know, funding, trading, obviously traveling, anything not trading related, don't matter, put it in. Yeah, right. Gold on the hourly does look decent for shorts, but we need to wait for the 90. Guys, on this hourly, it'll tell us a lot what we can do. Okay. So if this hourly closes like so, then yeah, we can actually look for shorts, because it is setting up for shorts. You know, we're closing below levels, and we have got some room down. You know, you have got some room down into like these levels here, so we can look for that. But I do need to wait for this 19 minutes to close for the shorts. I can't trade it until we do close. It's impossible. So we need to wait. So in 19 minutes, it will give us a good direction. Yeah, guys, everyone who's tuning in and supporting the live, I do appreciate you. Thanks for the likes, subscribers. You know, I have like I say, I am just trying to grow this a bit. Yeah. So this is the game plan for me right now, right? If this 15 or 30 minute can push above 2400 and reject from these levels below, then yeah, I'm gonna look for longs. If this hourly closes like this, okay? If this hourly closes like this, I'm going to look for shorts, potentially just in for an hourly wick fill, depending on how it closes. So, really, I am open to both shorts and longs, but in order to short, we need to wait for 17 minutes to finish. But in terms of longs, again, you know, depending on how this 15 closes in 2 and the hourly closes. So, we really need to wait for this 15 and hourly. So, I'll give it another 2 minutes for now. And to the 7-8 people watching, I appreciate you. Dun, dun, dun. Right, yeah, so 2 minutes now. 1 minute, sorry. Don't look like we're going to do anything with this 15 as of yet. So this 15 closes like. Because if this hourly closes bearish like so, then you've got an easy, you know, into like where you can go break even. If it closes like here, you know, you've got an easy 30 ticks down. So that will be the position for me on shorts, because 30 ticks, you know, on a one contract, very, very good. 30 ticks on a one contract is like over $300 just on that little range fill. So this 15 is closing bearish now. Below market. I'm just going to find my daily key. We are coming into daily key levels too. So you need to be cautious about that if you are shorting. I am expecting a delivery as well, guys. So just give us a minute. If it does come, guys, I will like just run downstairs, get it, and I'll be back on. But yeah, anyone new, guys, welcome. Like I say, if you're not already, get yourself in the free Telegram. Link in the description. You can join that. And you'll know when I go live. I do put a bit of analysis in there too. Some free analysis, if you're interested in that. But yeah, daily levels here at 23.92. Interesting. Another thing that is interesting, trendline liquidity. You know, price is going to come down further. You need to fill this. You know, you've got a decent range to fill here, you know. So yeah, I am open to both, guys. It all depends how this next 15 closes. You know, if we wick reject this big daily level here, then we can just look for longs. Let's get my charger really quick for my phone. Dun, 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 dun. Like I say, guys, any questions, get them in. I can break down the trade I took this morning if you want. I did take a trade this morning on the 15-minute. Nice 15-minute short play. I'll do that really quickly. So the 15-minute short play for me today was just a real quick in and out candle, like quick 20 ticks. You know, price was rejecting key levels and breaking below. You know, key zones for me, and I had a level here that we brought below 23. Ooh, at 24.03, like so. But the major level was this for me, 24.06. You know, we rejected it nicely, and then we took liquidity below it, and I literally had a one candle short down into these lows for like 16, ran like 18 ticks and a nice tight stop as well. Literally one candle like so, in and out. You know, if you're taking 1% risk, it's like a 2.5, 3% in one. Literally, it was like 2 5-minute candles, 10 minutes to hit TP. Which was nice. And I'm looking for similar now, you know, like, we'll see how we close on this. Like, we're getting a big rejection now on this 15. So if we can start closing back above, you know, my key levels, then yeah, we can look for long. Let me just, right, yeah. Right, yeah, this is interesting. Give it 9 minutes, guys. We could be on for a trade here, depending on how this closes. This 30-minute looks good for a flip now. Dun, 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 dun. Nine minutes, guys. We could be on. I think we will be. If this 30 flips bullish now, then yeah, I'll look for longs higher for sure. All depends in 8 minutes. We could be on for a trade here. Anybody new? Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live. I'm looking for gold long soon. I'm not shorting if we reject like this, guys. No way I'll be shorting if we reject like this. But yeah, longs definitely. Into the liquidity we've already talked about. You know, we've talked about all this liquidity that needs taking. So I'll be looking to long into there. Anything in the community? Seven minutes till this close. Let's see if we can close above that 2400 level, and then we can push higher on the next hourly too, and 4 hour close. Another thing that I like, guys, is look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hourly highs that haven't been taken. 4 hourly highs that haven't been taken. So longs for me are good. If we can push higher. And that'll be very textbook, guys. Very textbook to the plan and everything that I teach in the community. It'd be a very textbook entry into maybe these areas. Who's still here, guys? Put a comment in if you're still here. I want to see who's here. I'm interested. I'll try and catch this position and then we can be done. Duncan, how do I know what time to trade? The way I trade is I trade in the most volatile or the most where the most momentum is, and normally for me it's like London session and then US session, which we're trading now. It works really well with the strategy that I teach. The strategy that I teach, it works so well using momentum. So that's how I trade, and that's the times I trade. No, Duncan, don't use that. I personally wouldn't use that. You need to use MetaTrader, mate. Where are you from, Duncan? Let me know where you're from. Just so I can see what you can use. I'm guessing you're from the UK. Welcome, anybody new here, guys, welcome. If you're new, drop us a subscribe. I go live 3 or 4 times a week. Drop us a like on the video too. Anybody new or anybody who's just joined, I'm looking to take this long into here. You know, we are starting to liquidate all these lows to the left. You know, 1, 2 lows to the left and taking these lows. This could flip higher. Yeah, but trading 212 is not trading 212, guys, is not for trading forex personally, or trading gold. I personally wouldn't. I used that for like a week when I first ever started, and the fees are just stupid. It's not good. And you can't really, it's not really good for executing and like managing at all. And it's not really in lots as well. It's in like these stupid macros. Long on what time frame? It depends what looks the cleanest, Duncan. Depends what looks the cleanest, mate. If you're, for me, the 30-minute, you know, if this 30-minute flips, then yeah, boom, we're going long. But, you know, we could get an hourly fake out and then we can push higher. It all depends on what looks the cleanest. Like the 15's not looking the cleanest right now because it looks heavily bearish. But in terms of what is looking the cleanest, you know, look at the 30 now. It's wick rejecting all these lows. And it's wick rejecting this huge level that we had at 23.95. So for me, like, if we can break back above 2400, 2403, that sort of area, then the liquidity above, I think we can take this, all this liquidity above, you know. And if you are a novice, Duncan, get some like education, whether it's on here, you know, whether you're on TikTok, whatever. Just get some education, a bit of education, so you can understand more. It is hard when you first starting. It is hard to, you know, just try and understand things that are impossible. It is quite impossible to understand it. So I just suggest like getting a bit of education behind you. Yeah, Goldie, let's see. 15-minute rejecting under this level. Hourly closing bearish. Interesting. I mean, yeah, you could get a 15, 30-minute hourly wick fill down into these lows, but with how much we've rejected, like, I'm not willing to take that risk. I'd rather just either wait for price to push above and we go long. That's the play for me. Oh yeah, my delivery is here, guys. Cumbria, yeah, UK. Nice, mate. Nice. Are you in the free Telegram, Duncan? There's some free analysis in there. Or if you're looking to get education, you can join my Discord community. That's absolutely fine. Join the Jaw Trades community. Yes, guys. Anybody new here, welcome. I appreciate it. Cheers for tuning in. Thanks for the likes as well. Anybody new? Thanks for the likes. Yeah, we're just waiting for these closures on gold. I am interested in longs. But I do think if gold is going to flip, it's going to flip into this wick fill. You know? It's going to flip into that wick fill. So that is the plan. So if it is going to flip, it's going to flip into that wick fill, and then bang, it's going to go along into potentially all this liquidity here. So yeah, that is the plan. So yeah, we'll wait for that and see what shows first. But yeah, the actual plan is either price breaks above and then we can go along into this liquidity, or it's going to come down into this wick fill. And if it comes down into that wick fill, you've got like at least, what's this, like you've got like 64 ticks into that wick fill, so we can look to trade that, and yeah, we can get a nice position. But for now, there's nothing, because I need this 5 and 15 to confirm a bit for me below this level, so we can take it into the wick fill. Because for me right now, gold just on the hourly, it's just wicked. So the potential for price to push down isn't as likely if we do get confirmation. If we do get confirmation, then yeah, we can go short. So that is the plan. I think he's still here. If anyone's got any other questions, guys, get them in. Put it in the downstairs. Where do I get the education? Go to the description, Duncan. Duncan, go to the description of the YouTube video. If not, I can put the link into the community, and you can. I'll put the link in now, guys, so you can join if you want. This is the community. One sec. Let me just copy and paste the link for you, and it will send you straight to it, so you can get in the community. So just give us 1 second. Bang. Done. Right, guys, there's the community link. Click the link, what I've just commented, and that'll send you straight to the Discord community access. That's absolutely fine. You can join through there if you want to get in, and you can get in today and start looking over all the content. There's a lot of content in there. Yeah, Duncan, like I say, if you do want to join, just join and learn the strategy. It doesn't, like I said, the value that you get in the community is great. Like it'll definitely help you. But yeah, that is the link, and it'll send you straight to the product, so you can buy it. And as soon as you bought it, you'll get the link, and you can join the Discord. And all the videos are there, all the chat rooms are there, everything's there for you. So yeah, that's the community. If anyone's got any other questions on the community, let me know. I am looking. Let's see if gold can take us into. Yeah, I'm gonna look for confirmation to take the flip down 60 ticks if we get that. Okay. I'm just checking if something's here, by the way, guys. I can approve the community. Thanks, Fabio. Cheers. Nice one, bro. Helped me a lot. Yeah, Fab. Nice one, mate. Yeah, Fabio's in the Discord now. It's good. Nice one. Yeah, I am ready for this. I am ready, Duncan. I hope you're ready too, mate. Yeah, I'm definitely ready. 100% ready. I think we played so well on well, the last game. Ridiculous against Netherlands. So good. But yeah, it was definitely good. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, I am an Englishman, by the way, as well, Duncan. Even though I don't live in England half of the time, I am an Englishman. But yeah, that's me. If anyone's got any other questions at all, put it in. Nice one for the likes, guys, and the subscribers. Cheers. 7 watching now. Yeah, like I say, any breaks back above, then I'm longing. Simple. Right, one sec, guys. I think my delivery's here. Give us a minute. 1 minute, guys. I'll be back in literally like a minute. Hang fire. Yo, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Wow, look at gold now. Okay, good. Right, gold is actually looking good now on the hourly. This hourly now on gold, if we can close, or the 15, close back above the level here at 23.04, then yeah, we can look for longs. Sorry about that, I just had to go somewhere. Right. See, and this is why we wait, guys. This is why you wait. Look, you know, we're reacting from this level once, twice, 3 times. Yeah, any pushes, any closes back above here, I'm gonna long. Just hang fire for the longs. Yeah, nah, gold's insane. I love gold. I probably would. I'd never leave. I'd never go back to anywhere else. I'd never go back to just trading anything. You know, I used to trade like 10, 15 FX pairs, and yeah, it was good. Like I did well. Like I don't. The thing is, when you learn how to trade, and when you've been trading for so long, like me, like around 7 years, doesn't matter what you trade and how you trade. It's all psychology. Like doesn't matter if you've got like obviously strategy that works is very important, but once you've got the execution and you've got the the psychology is there, but you obviously need a good plan as well. Like you just need to stick to a good plan that you know works. Then yeah, you're gonna do well. And that's why obviously I've been around for so long. Like I did fail for like 3 or 4 years, but obviously it's all about you sticking to the plan, sticking to what you know, and just trading what you see and executing, and you'll be fine. Once you trade gold, you can never trade something like GU. Yeah, it's so true. Like I used to trade like NZD USD, and it just knocks me sick thinking that. Like if someone said, "Oh, Joe, you can only trade NZD USD," I'd probably go like I don't know, do OnlyFans or something. Yeah, lol. It is true though. I couldn't go back to not trading gold. Gold like has for me has really changed the game for me. Like I used to make decent money with Forex, like quite decent money. But with gold it's just 10 times better. Like this strategy, the way I trade gold, like I pass way more funding accounts, like way more. I build I build accounts up way quicker, you know, way quicker. So yeah, overall it's just way better. I take around 2 to 3 trades a day, and it's for me that's plenty. Like today, I've taken 2 trades, and I've caught around what with partials and about 20, 30 ticks. Which on a 2 contract, guys, you work out what that is, or if on a 1 contract, you work out what that is. Right, we have closed above on the 30, on the 15, but 30 could still reject. We have just pushed straight up as well. Let's see how we react here. Yeah, I do think if this flips, we are going to push out. But the problem is, guys, and this is what you need to look at. Like, look at how we broke out. On the 15, like you can't take a 15-minute flip yet because you've not taken any liquidity. You can take a 30 flip because you've taken liquidity, but you need to wait for the 30 to close. You can take a hourly flip, but you need to wait for the hourly to close. You can't take a 15 flip because the 15 hasn't. The 15's closed above, but it hasn't taken liquidity. So you need to wait for 5-minute confirmation. So that's the problem we're in right now. So we can't really long it. So that's what we're in right now. We need to wait for this 30 to close in order to take 30-minute flips of the next candle. Or 5-minute longs on continuations above. That's the 2 plays you can really do right now. But it's not a bad thing. I mean, 30-minute, 15. Yeah, it's looking decent. And that's why I always say, like, stick to the plan, stick to the rules, because if you do, so much easier. If you've got a set of rules to follow, like, yeah, you'll be fine. Like I said, it's all about having the rules, knowing the rules, and if something just doesn't line up, like for us now on the 15, people say, "Oh, why are you not taking it? You're above your level." Like, we can't take it because we haven't taken any liquidity. You know, we've not grabbed any candles that we pushed up. But on the 30, we have liquidity grabbed on the 30. So if the 30 closes above, then we can take the 30 flip. You know, you can take the hourly flip because the hourly has, but the 15 hasn't. The only way we can take a 15-minute trade, it'll be a 15-minute breakout, 15-minute closure. We have 5-minute confirmation, and that's the plan. You know, we don't do anything beside that. And doing it this way would save you so much. Clean my camera. Might be a bit clearer for you now. Yeah, 15-minute breaking above, 30-minute closing above, hourly. You know, it's lining up really nice for longs. In order to set 5-minute confirmation, you know, you need a break, you need a confirmation above. 15-minute, there's no entry yet. You know, it'd be 5-minute confirmation. 30-minute, there will be an entry if we do close above. Simple. So yeah, now we just wait for the 30-minute closure in 10 minutes. Or we get 5-minute confirmation, then we take that. But it's as simple as that. You know, we've got our first thing that's starting to happen now, the range break. A 10-minute. Yeah, that's clean. 10-minute work clean. I don't know why. Fabio, if you're here, I don't know why, mate. I'll have a look into it in a bit. That's stupid. It's probably slippage, mate. But yeah, I'll have a look into it. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Right, let's see how this 15 closes, guys. This 15 is important because if this 15 can close above, then yeah, we can take 30-minute flips. But if we close back within this range, then we'll see. If anyone's got any questions at all, guys, get them in. Back within this range on the 5 now. See how this 5 closes. If this 5 closes bullish, guys, we can take longs. No, mate. 104, 104, 401. I won't be looking for longs because we're back within this trading range that I don't want to be into. You know, look at this to the left. Guys, look, you know, it's just messy. And when you're back in here, you're going to find it's messy again. Above it, I can long. Below it, I can short. And that's what I'll stick to. And I'm going to see how this 5 closes, guys. If this 5 closes bullish, I'll take a 5-minute entry long. So you've got a minute and a half until we close. If we can close bullish, you know, nice rejection bullish, then I'll take long higher. And that'll be the position for the day. That'll be the position. If not, this 15 closes back within this range. I'll just update in the community, guys. Obviously, I've been on here for 2 hours now. If we break and we close back within this range, you know, you've got range from here to here. If we're back within this range, I'll just update in the community when we break out and when we take a trade. You know, it's not as simple as breakout, I enter long, break down to the downside, I go short. It's not as simple as that. For the people not in the community, it's not as simple as that. There's things you need to wait for when you do break above or below. You know, we've got a criteria that we need to stick to and the concepts that are there. Yeah, let's see if we can break above. If we can break above, then yeah, we'll go long. Simple. Break back within this range. This 5 minutes not going to flip now anyway. Then we're just back within this up and down range. But yeah, guys, anybody who's not in the community, don't think it's as simple as long above here, shorts below. It can be, depending on how it breaks out. It all depends on how it breaks out. But yeah, we'll see how we close. 9 people in. Thanks, guys, for joining. Anybody, like I say, guys, anyone new here who's not in the free Telegram, get yourself in the free Telegram. All my links, guys, are in the description as well. Make sure to join if you're not in. You'll know when I go live in there as well. I put my live links in there. 5 minute, back within the range. 15. This is getting interesting. I think I will catch another trade on gold today. You know, we've got another like 30 minutes till news as well, so I think we will catch another position. It'd be good to get a position on gold for sure. I am liking the way it's setting up. But within this range, no, because like even not even recent price action. Like just look how it is at the left. If it is, if there's any price action on it, let me just look on the hourly really quick. Should be some price action. Like you can see the price action, like how much we reject these levels. You know, look, rejection. You know, now we're rejecting it from the underside. So this is why I have these. This is why the main reason why I have it. Like within here, you're just gonna get like it going up and down. Push up, clearance to the upside. Push down, clearance to the downside. Yeah. I'm in a long depending on how price acts. I put around 21.40 at 24.01. I know the trendline retailers are looking to short exactly. Nat understands the trendline traps. Yeah. Oh, this is liquidity, but I'm not looking to long yet. Like, there's a lot of people. There will be a lot of people going long now. Now, what you need to realize, and they'll have the stops here, yeah. And that's what I'm looking for. If price does start closing below, I'll look for the wick fill into here. Okay, so that's when I've caught people who are early longs out. Okay, early longs will be trapped if we close below, so I'm not looking to long yet. Early shorts will be trapped if we start closing above. You know, people are going long here at this trend line, stops above. You know, I'm looking to push into that, but once we close above there, I can still get my piece above 24.03 or 24.04. Within here, I'm not bothered about catching like the perfect entry because realistically, price doesn't have a clue what it wants to do. Within here, price yet has no direction. Nobody can tell me this is a 50-50. Yeah, we've just pushed up, but to tell me that it's going to go long right now, it's just false. Like, price could easily wick fill down here. Especially after the H4 closing bearish as well. Give it another minute. I'm going to see how we close, guys. Like I say, if we do close within in a minute, I am going to end the stream. And I'll just update the community for trades. I'll update once we break out. And if I see an entry, like always, I'll post it. But yeah, I've been on here for an hour and 50. We almost did get a trade short. And we almost did get something long. But nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. 45 seconds, let's see if anything happens. Like I say, guys, news in 30 minutes, so be careful. But I will be trading it if it does show. Oh, Duncan, nice. You're a Scot living in England. Good man. Good man. That's great, man. Welcome to England. Well, you've probably been here for a long time, but yeah. Good. I personally live in England, but I'm hardly here. I travel a lot. And like I say, look at this rejection, guys. You know, rejection, rejection, rejection. When price comes into here, I'm not going to short until we close below nicely because it could just bang, reject, and push higher. But yeah, this 15's closed within, guys. I'm going to end the stream now, and I'm just going to update the Discord community. If anything happens, I'll just update the Discord community. Any of the Discord guys in here, keep active in the Discord community, guys, in the chats, and we'll find this position. But within here, anybody who's not in the Discord within here, I'm not trading. It's just a no trade range for me. Look, as expected, we're reacting from this key level at 23,400. You know, and now we're pushing up. If this can push up and, you know, close above, then I can look for longs. And that's the plan, guys, and that's what I'm sticking to today. These two key levels and above buys, shorts below, you know, wick fill below. But yeah. Yeah, Nat, thank you, mate. You take care too, and I'll see you in the next live, bro. Be sure to check it out. Be sure to get involved. Nice one, mate. Wish you all the best. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go. An hour and 45 that stream, not bad. Didn't take anything, but like I say, we're just stuck in this range pre-news. You know, stuck in this range again pre-news as expected. But if we break, depending on how we break, I'll update the community. You know, news in 29 minutes. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. And make sure you click the links in the description to join the free groups or the Discord community if you want the education. And I'll see you soon, guys. Peace. Thank you for joining, guys. I do